Thank you for joining Rocketeer Realms as we explore the fascinating realm of time travel. Now, let's get to it. Have you ever wondered if you could travel back in time to change the past or leap into the future to see what it holds? Time travel, a concept that has long captivated the human imagination, is more than just a staple of science fiction. It's a complex idea that has pervaded both scientific and cultural discourse, sparking countless debates, theories, and stories. From ancient myths and folklore to modern literature and film, the notion of moving through time is a fascinating and enduring theme. It's a concept that challenges our understanding of reality, posing intriguing questions about the nature of time, causality, and existence itself. But what exactly is time travel, and is it even possible? In its simplest form, time travel refers to movement between different points in time, akin to how we move through space. But unlike spatial travel, time travel involves navigating a dimension that we don't fully understand or control. It's a concept that pushes the boundaries of our knowledge and understanding, inviting us to explore the very fabric of the universe. The implications of time travel are vast and profound. If we could traverse time, we could potentially alter history, foresee the future, or even exist in multiple places at once. Yet these possibilities also present a multitude of paradoxes and dilemmas, from the infamous grandfather paradox to issues of free will and determinism. This video will delve into the enigma of time travel, examining its historical and cultural roots, its theoretical underpinnings, and its representation in pop culture. We'll explore the scientific theories that make time travel conceivable, the philosophical questions it raises, and the ways it has been envisioned and interpreted in literature and film. But our journey won't stop there. We'll also look at the future directions of time travel, from emerging technologies and theoretical advancements to ongoing debates and speculations. We'll consider the ethical and social implications of time travel and the impact it could have on our understanding of reality and our place in it. As we venture into the realm of time travel, hold on tight, because we're in for an incredible journey. Time travel isn't a new concept. It has been a part of human imagination for centuries. Our ancestors, from ancient civilizations to indigenous tribes, have spun tales that often involve moving through time. These narratives were often wrapped in myth and folklore, sometimes serving as cautionary tales, at other times as allegories for deeper philosophical musings. For instance, the ancient Greeks cherished the myth of the seer Tiresias, who was said to have lived 7 lives, experiencing time in a non-linear fashion. Similarly, in Hindu mythology, King Raivata Kakudmi is said to have journeyed to heaven, only to return to earth and find that many ages had passed in his absence. These stories provide a fascinating glimpse into how our forebears conceptualized time and its passage. But time travel isn't just a product of myth and legend. It's also a topic of serious philosophical inquiry. The ancient philosophers pondered the nature of time, with figures like Aristotle and Augustine offering their own interpretations of its malleable nature. The concept of time as a dimension, akin to the spatial dimensions we inhabit, has been a cornerstone of philosophical thought for centuries. And then there's the role of time travel in literature and pop culture. From H.G. Wells' pioneering novel, The Time Machine, to the temporal escapades of Doctor Who, narratives involving time travel have captivated audiences for generations. These stories have not only entertained us, but also made us contemplate the possibilities and paradoxes that could arise if we could journey through time. From the silver screen to comic books, time travel has been a recurring theme, serving as a potent narrative device that allows storytellers to explore various themes, from the consequences of altering the past to the responsibility that comes with knowledge of the future. So as we can see, time travel has always been a part of our collective consciousness. It's a concept that has evolved alongside us, reflecting our hopes, fears, and curiosities about the nature of existence and our place in the cosmos. But is time travel scientifically possible? Let's unravel the mysteries. The concept of time travel has long been a subject of debate and curiosity. At the heart of this lies Einstein's theory of relativity, which fundamentally transformed our understanding of time. According to this groundbreaking theory, time isn't a constant, but something that can be stretched and compressed, depending on how fast you're moving or how strong the gravitational field around you is. This phenomenon, known as time dilation, suggests that time travel into the future is, at least theoretically, possible. But what about traveling back in time? This is where things get a little tricky, and we venture into the realm of wormholes and black holes. These cosmic phenomena, with their intense gravitational pull, are believed to warp space-time, potentially creating shortcuts between different points in time. However, the idea of using wormholes as time machines is purely speculative, as their existence is yet to be proven, and the immense gravitational forces involved would likely destroy anything that attempts to pass through. Another interesting aspect that adds to the complexity of time travel is the concept of causality, often illustrated through the famous grandfather paradox. This paradox poses the question: if you travel back in time and prevent your grandparents from meeting, would you cease to exist? Or would your actions create an alternate timeline, a notion supported by the multiverse theory? These theoretical frameworks, while fascinating, present numerous challenges and considerations. For instance, the energy requirements for time travel, according to current understanding, would be astronomical. The potential for paradoxes and the destabilization of causality also raise significant questions about the feasibility of time travel. While science has yet to prove the possibility of time travel, it has certainly not dismissed it. The quest to unravel the mysteries of time continues, with scientists and theorists alike exploring the boundaries of our understanding. As we move forward, we can only imagine what new insights and discoveries await us in our journey through the fourth dimension. But beyond the science, time travel opens up a Pandora's box of philosophical questions. It's not just about the physics of bending space-time or the engineering challenges of building a time machine. It's also about the deeper, more abstract questions that touch the very fabric of our existence. Consider the ontological questions that arise. If you could time travel, would you still be the same person in the past or future? How would your identity change if you were to meet your younger or older self? These are not just idle musings, but touch upon fundamental issues of personal identity and continuity. Then there are the ethical considerations. What would be the responsibilities of a time traveler? Would it be right to change the past even if it could prevent a catastrophe in the future? Or would tampering with history lead to unforeseen consequences, potentially creating even bigger problems? The concept of time travel also invites us to ponder over metaphysical speculations. Is time a human construct or an inherent part of the universe? Does the past still exist, or is it gone forever? And what about the future? Is it already set in stone, waiting for us to reach it, or is it an open book shaped by our actions in the present? These questions might seem dizzying, and indeed, they are. But they are also a testament to the richness and complexity of time travel as a concept. It's not just a cool idea for a science fiction story or a theoretical curiosity for physicists. It's a profound and challenging idea that pushes the boundaries of our understanding and forces us to rethink our place in the universe. So, when we talk about time travel, we're not just talking about moving through time. We're also talking about exploring the deepest and most profound aspects of our existence. We're talking about identity, morality, reality, and the very nature of time itself. Time travel, it seems, isn't just about bending the fabric of time and space, but also our understanding of existence, morality, and reality itself. Time travel isn't just a scientific or philosophical concept. It's a cultural phenomenon. From H.G. Wells' The Time Machine to the time-hopping antics of Doctor Who, time travel has been a staple of science fiction, spinning tales that tickle our imagination and challenge our understanding of reality. It has permeated our popular culture, shaping blockbuster movies, best-selling novels, and even influencing scientific discourse. But time travel is more than just a plot device. It's a narrative tool that allows us to explore human nature, societal norms, and the very fabric of our existence. It's a mirror held up to our fears and aspirations, a way to question our past and speculate about our future. The tales we weave about time travel reflect our collective consciousness, our shared anxieties, and our universal hopes. Through these narratives, we explore not just the possibilities of time travel, but also our hopes, fears, and curiosities about the nature of time itself. As we stand on the brink of technological advancements, what does the future hold for time travel? One might say it's as unpredictable as time itself. Yet, we can't help but speculate. We foresee a future where quantum computing and temporal engineering may push the boundaries of what we currently understand about time. Our search for temporal anomalies may lead us to discover new dimensions of reality, unveiling the mysteries of the universe. However, with great power comes great responsibility. The ethical and social implications of time travel are enormous. Would we use this power wisely, or would it lead to unforeseen consequences? Could we handle the moral dilemmas of changing past events, or the responsibility of knowing future ones? As we continue to speculate and explore, the enigma of time travel continues to captivate us, reminding us of the boundless possibilities of human imagination and innovation. Once again, thank you for joining Rocketeer Realms on this dive into time travel, a subject I find very intriguing. If you found the topic interesting, please like, subscribe, and share the video to help build the channel.